Everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on walking you through the essential task of using the trash on your Mac. So, let's dive right into it. The trash is the primary way to delete files on your Mac. It is known as the bin in many parts of the world. You will always find it on the right side of your dock. To delete a file, simply select it. Drag it down to the dock and drop it onto the trash. Notice how the trash icon changes to indicate that something else is inside. Think of the trash as a temporary holding place for your files. It is a safety net preventing you from instantly losing a file forever. It is there just in case you need to retrieve something you accidentally deleted. To access the trash, click on its icon in the dock. Inside, it looks like a regular folder in the Finder, displaying the files you have placed there. You can switch between different views like icon view, list view, column view, or gallery view. However, attempting to open a file from the trash will trigger a warning. Each item in the trash remembers its original location. You can right-click or control-click on a file and choose Put Back to return to it in its original position. This even works for multiple files. If you accidentally delete several files, you can select them all, right-click and choose Put Back. Use Undo or Command-Z or Edit Undo to reverse file moves, or use shortcuts like Command-Delete to send files to trash. For immediate deletion, hold Option while using Command-Option-Delete. Only use trash for items you want to delete. If unsure, create a separate folder. Treat moving to trash as a deletion to prevent accidental file loss. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to using the trash on your Mac. It's a simple but vital part of managing your files. Remember to take your time and think before you empty the trash to avoid any data mishaps. I hope this video helps you out. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.